Hey there, ever feel like your brain is playing tricks on you? You're not alone. Let's dive into some fascinating psychological traps that influence our everyday choices, often without us even realizing it. We have the spotlight effect. Imagine this: you're walking down the street with a small coffee stain on your shirt. You're convinced everyone's staring, right? Spoiler alert, they're probably not. We tend to overestimate how much others notice our appearance or behavior. Next time you're feeling self-conscious, remember most people are too wrapped up in their own worlds to notice that tiny flaw you're obsessing over. Think about that time you tripped in public. You probably felt embarrassed and assumed everyone noticed. But guess what? They likely didn't even see it, or if they did, they forgot about it in a minute. We all make mistakes, and most people are too busy worrying about their own to focus on yours. Next, the Ikea effect. Ever spent hours assembling furniture only to step back and think, this is the most beautiful bookshelf in existence? That's the Ikea effect in action. We tend to value things more when we've put effort into creating them. It's why that wonky clay pot you made in art class holds a special place in your heart. Just remember to get some honest feedback. Sometimes your DIY project might not be quite as amazing as you think. It's the same reason why parents proudly display their kids' finger paintings on the fridge. The effort and love put into making something can make it seem more valuable than it really is. So while it's great to take pride in your work, it's also important to get a second opinion to keep things in perspective. Next, the ostrich effect. You know that moment when you're afraid to check your bank account after a weekend of splurging? That's the ostrich effect, burying your head in the sand to avoid negative information. But here's the thing: ignoring problems doesn't make them go away. Take a deep breath, face the music, and tackle issues head on. Your future self will thank you. Think of it like avoiding a dentist appointment. Sure, it might be uncomfortable to find out you need a filling, but catching problems early is always better than letting them fester. Whether it's your health, finances, or relationships, addressing issues promptly can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Next, the paradox of choice. Ever stood in front of the ice cream freezer, paralyzed by 50 flavor options? That's the paradox of choice. Sometimes more options make decisions harder, not easier. Next time you're menu planning, try limiting yourself to 3 to 4 options. You might find it's easier to make a decision, and you'll probably be just as satisfied with your choice. Think about when you're shopping online. Endless scrolling through products can be exhausting and often leads to decision fatigue. By narrowing your choices, you can make quicker, more satisfying decisions and reduce the stress of second-guessing yourself. Next, the halo effect. Let's say you meet someone who's incredibly attractive. Do you find yourself assuming they're also kind, intelligent, and successful? That's the halo effect at work. We tend to let positive impressions in one area influence our overall opinion of a person. It's why celebrities can be so persuasive in ads. Remember to judge each situation on its own merits rather than letting one shiny quality blind you. We do this all the time, not just with people but with brands too. Just because a phone is made by a popular company, we might assume it's the best choice. But it's important to look at the actual features and reviews rather than being swayed by the brand's reputation alone. Next, the planning fallacy. I can totally clean the entire house, do my taxes, and write a novel this weekend sound familiar. We're notorious for underestimating how long tasks will take. Next time you're planning your day, try this trick: estimate how long you think something will take, then double it. You'll probably end up with a much more realistic schedule. Remember the last time you thought you could finish a project at work in an afternoon, but it ended up taking the whole week? That's the planning fallacy at work. Being realistic about time can help you avoid unnecessary stress and set you up for success. Next, the sunk cost fallacy. You ever sat through a terrible movie just because you paid for the ticket? That's the sunk cost fallacy in action. We hate feeling like we've wasted time or money, so we keep investing in things that aren't working. But here's the truth: sometimes it's okay to cut your losses and move on. Your time and energy are valuable, use them wisely. Think of it like a toxic relationship. Just because you've been together for years doesn't mean you should stay if you're unhappy. Sometimes walking away is the best decision you can make for your future well-being. Next, confirmation bias. Think about your favorite sports team. Do you tend to remember their victories more than their losses? That's confirmation bias. We naturally seek out information that supports what we already believe. It's why echo chambers are so dangerous. Challenge yourself to look at opposing viewpoints sometimes. You might learn something new. We see this a lot in politics and social media. It's easy to follow people who agree with us and ignore those who don't. But expanding your perspective can lead to more informed opinions and better understanding of the world. Next, the contrast effect. Have you ever noticed how a warm day in early spring feels amazing, but the same temperature in fall feels chilly? That's the contrast effect. Our judgments are influenced by what we've recently experienced. Real estate agents use this trick all the time, showing you a terrible house before the one they actually want to sell. Suddenly, an average house looks like a palace. Think about trying on clothes. If you first try on something that looks terrible, the next item that fits decently will seem amazing in comparison. Being aware of this can help you make more objective decisions. Next, loss aversion. Imagine I offer you a bet. Heads, you win $100. Tails, you lose $100. Would you take it? Most people wouldn't, even though mathematically it's a fair bet. We tend to feel the pain of losses more strongly than the pleasure of gains. This can make us overly cautious sometimes. Remember, taking calculated risks can often lead to great rewards. This is why we often hold on to things we don't need or stay in situations that don't serve us. Learning to let go and embrace change can open up new opportunities and lead to personal growth. These are just a few of the many psychological traps that influence our thinking every day. By being aware of them, we can make more intentional, rational decisions. So next time you're facing a choice, take a moment to consider, is your brain playing tricks on you? Remember, we're all human, and we all fall for these traps sometimes. The key is to recognize them, laugh at ourselves a little, and try to make better choices moving forward. After all, life's too short to let our brains sabotage us, right? So, which of these psychological traps do you think you've fallen for recently? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. I post new videos every week, diving deep into fascinating topics in psychology and how they affect our daily lives. Have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next? Drop them in the comments below. And remember, understanding your mind is the first step to making better decisions.